Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about different digital resources we have available for you in the library. Those resources include Sora, different ebooks we have for you on Destiny, and Discus. So the first thing I want to talk about is Sora. Sora is a reading app that students can have by going onto our library website. It's great because they can access many different books or audiobooks, and they can have them on their Chromebooks or on other different devices. They can read them and have notes for them. They can even access this public library and have different books from that library as well. So they can open their audiobooks in the Sora app. They can adjust the settings so they can have different accessibility settings, and they can see their progress on any different device that they're using. As I stated earlier, they can also make highlights and notes, which is great if you assign them a book. Sora is great because it's customizable with search settings. They can even earn achievements, and they can add their public library. Now I'll go and demonstrate for you how the Sora app works. So to use Sora app, you need to go to the library website. When you get there, you will want to go to Sora Overdrive eBook Library. Then you must sign in by going all Greenville County users and click it one more time. You must then log in with your directory information using Greenville County Schools. Once you're signed in, you can see the different titles that they have and collections that they have. Check out the most popular titles, or see different books that they have, such as historical fiction, mystery, nonfiction, or books by level, which is great for your student. This is a great resource that your students can use to learn when they may not be able to come to the library and check out books. They still have their Chromebooks available, or they're still at home and they want to read. So this is something that you should push with your students so they can read on any device or anywhere that they're at. They may not have a physical book on hand. If they want to see what books they have checked out, once they've checked out a book, they can go to My Account and they'll be able to see, and then they can just click Read Now and the book will come up for them. I'm sorry, read in your browser, and the book will come up for them. And they just flip the pages. Another great resource to use is in Destiny. We already have many books purchased for you. You can see right now we actually have the ebooks on the top of the browser. So you can scroll through, and you can click See All, and you can see all the ebooks that we have. You can see that many of the books are single users. It says one of one available. That means only one person can check out a book at a time. However, other ebooks that we have unlimited copies. That means you can assign that book to every student in your class and have them all read the book at the exact same time. They are multi-user licenses. So then you can have them all check it out and have them learn about it for an assignment. If you have a book that you need your entire class to read, this may be a great way to have them all read it. You can come to us in the library and we might can purchase a multi-user copy for you all to read the book. So if you ever need anything like this, please come see us in the library and we may be able to purchase this for you. Once you want to read the book, you can click Open. And the book will come up. You can just flip through the pages You can put it on your Promethean board so that they can all see the book if you're reading it to your class. You can just change the display options if you're having a hard time seeing it, if you want to make it fit a different way.
Greetings.
And it'll also read it to you if you really need
Your long necks help you eat lean time
if you're doing it for your students. They may need it to read it to them. So don't forget that we do have ebooks in our Destiny Discover collection as well. The final digital resource that I want to talk to you about is Discus. Remember, Discus is South Carolina's virtual library. It has many different databases and resources available for you. You can go on and you can look by grade level, many of the different resources that they have. Animal Kingdom is great for all of you when you do your animal research. Biography and Context is great when you want to learn about different people. There's also Britannica Elementary. It's a great encyclopedia for you. Culturegrams is wonderful when you're wanting to go and research about different countries or cultures. Novelist K through 8 Plus is a great resource if your student has a book that they love and they want to go find other books like that. Novelist K through 8 is a wonderful resource for them to go find other books that they may enjoy reading. Toma Books is also wonderful. It's audiobooks that we can pull up on the screen and they can listen to the different audiobooks and ebooks. So explore these resources, use them to your advantage, and so that your kids can explore and learn. You can also go, instead of just by grade level, you can go by subject. If you need something on famous people, you can click there and you'll see that Biography and Context is there. They also have Britannica Elementary School. You might have something on Study SC if you're learning about South Carolinians. Or you can learn by subject. If you need geography, you can click right there. So take advantage of all the different digital resources that we have. And remember that if you need help with something or if you need a resource, you can always come to the library and we will be happy to help you. Thank you, everyone.